Hey everyone, Carlos over at BearBullTraders.com. Here's my recap for today. I had a frustrating morning with ZTO. It was one of the stocks that hit our turbo breakdown scanner. So I tried to catch it for an opening range breakdown and I got stopped out several times. Then I tried to catch it as an opening range breakup, or above the VWAP to possibly close the gap towards the previous day close, and now I got stopped out there as well. So let's kind of go over what happened here. Let's zoom in here. So right at the open, you had this huge candle selling off, and then you had this pullback here to the VWAP, which is what I like to see. So the minute I saw this is actually the 934 candle. So I got in just a little bit earlier because it was right at VWAP, so I wanted to make sure I had a good risk to reward. So I jumped in. The minute I jumped in, it did push down a little bit. Didn't hit the low of day. It completely just reversed on me, and I was stopped out right at VWAP. So then again, once this happened, I figured, okay, you had two bottoms here, which this is way too early. I'm looking at I'm trading this off the 1 minute chart, which I should not be doing for this strategy. So when I saw this, I figured, okay, let's go long and see if we can ride this up to the previous day close above the VWAP. So I got in long here and was stopped out again once it started dropping back. Then one more time, it did this dip here again. The low here was higher than the previous two, so I figured, okay, maybe now will be the time where it cracks VWAP and it goes back to a previous day close. So I went long again, gave it a little room, and still couldn't crack VWAP, so I was stopped out here. So if you look at the 5 minute candle, 5 minute chart, you can see that this was just chopping around all day and never really had any direction, whether it was up or down. So this kind of caught me. I was down for the day on this here. So I just I took some other trades that were test trades, very small, just to see, test some of the strategies on this low flow stock and this other one here. But then later in the day, I came back and I saw a good possible trade for a long, a reversal on ZTO. So I had these two bottoms here. I had this one here and then this one here with an engulfing. So I bought some in, very small, 2180, because this seemed to be a level that I did not want to drop. If we go back over here, you can see that this level was very strong. Okay, oops, take that back out. Make this smaller. Okay, yeah, there we go. So this level was very strong. So I got in here very small. As it made newer highs and I saw the volume coming in, then this is when I started adding more. So I added more here and as well as here. Then I took the rest here because it really struggled to break this 22. So I took some here and then took the rest out here. So this brought me back in the green. Well, yeah, here brought me back in the green on the ones I had going long that I was stopped out on. So again, this was a good trade. Cleared my mind after I took a break. I did see the volume coming in and the struggle to break this this level here. So again, overall frustrating day. With the first at the open not being able to catch a move on ZTO, but red days are part of the game, so I'll take the -52 and look for a better day tomorrow.